So the task here is to position and fix the carbon fiber bracket. Bracket is supposed to go pretty much in this position. Is going to support the end of the poles coming from the mirror box. It is pretty symmetrical. We just need to place it, so we're gonna draw some lines on the hexagonal shape. Okay, now that we have this line that where the bracket is going to sit on, this way actually. We take this off. This is the tensioning stud of the pillar. You see here, the pile, we call it this little column, and is the concept is that this is tensioning structure. Measure twice, cut once. Yeah, that's better. As the very first hole, it's a 6mm hole. Yeah, choose the right. Let's go ahead with the second bracket. This is a different kind of bracket. They are the second and the third are symmetrical. The same bracket, but the placement position is symmetrical on the upper cage. This line is going to be our reference, and it needs to be 29mm from the edge, and needs to be angled compared to these.